New Jersey Refuge for Animals has been closed to the public after the park suffered major damage from last week's blizzard. Christine Sloan is in Fork River in Ocean County with more on how you can help.
A lion and tiger, as well as roaming peacocks and a camel named Strawberry.
We got treats for you.
They all call the Popcorn Park Animal Refuge home. The haven for abandoned, injured, or elderly animals is normally open daily to the public.
March 1st, we would have started our busy season of the year.
But major damage from the blizzard and a previous storm have kept it closed.
Have you ever experienced anything like this winter?
No. Not since I've been here. We're thinking that it's been about $10,000 in damage with all of the trees and the branches that have come down.
Some of the branches landing on a fence. The animal refuge desperately needs donations to clean up and to get estimates to make repairs.
Just a few bucks here and there, it really adds up and it makes a difference, and we can get this done to be open in time for the busy season.
Every animal here has a story, like Tess, and according to her bio, she was being used for entertainment and education until she became, well, a little sassy, and they had to find her a forever home.
Every animal here comes here because it has a story and it needs help of some kind, whether it needs just a permanent retirement home or it needs some rehab and rescue.
If you would like to donate, just go to our website and we'll tell you how you can help. In Fork River, New Jersey, Christine Sloan, CBS News, New York.